In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your Grubhub promo code in October 2024. As a customer, you benefit from Grubhub promo codes by saving money on your orders, allowing you to enjoy meals from your favorite restaurants at a reduced price. To do this, simply head into your Safari browser. It can be any other browser of your own choice. On the search bar, type in Grubhub promo code October 2024. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit website. Just like this website that has 25% off for any purchase you make. Tap into that exact website. Go ahead and choose any coupon code you want. When the coupon is generated, you will have to just copy the code to clipboard and head to Grubhub. You can also tap right here to redeem directly to the official Grubhub website. You will want to enter your email address right here so that you don't miss out on instant deals. On the Grubhub website, paste in your coupon code before making any payment. On the payment page, double-check down if your coupon is accepted and approved before proceeding. That's how easy it is to get your Grubhub promo code in October of 2024. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.